If you are finding beautiful color shade for your hair or changing color hair for your business to attract customers, don't miss this video today. In the last episode, I have shown you some of our changing color shade in our collection. Let's continue with the last part of our color collection in this today's video. Our 8-9-year color shade mixed between brown color and a little bit blonde undertone. That's why you can see that it looks like a light ash brown. 8-10 in our collection is an ombre burnt orange color, a softer, darker roll-out roof that blends into more orange tones at the end creates a beautiful effect. The next shade in our range is our 8-11, which is made with dirty blonde and brown color at the top, one of our best-selling ombre color in my factory. And this color would be matched with anybody who has natural blonde hair. This shade had a few azure and golden tones, and again the multi-tone coloring system allows for the shade to blend in with natural blonde and darker blonde as well. Next, we have number 8-12 bleach blonde. You can choose ombre color or full color you want, and a bleach blonde is a beautiful warmer golden tone blonde color. It would be the color that matches with the most blonde shade. Is it again a golden and warmer blonde shade in here. If you like mixed color in your hair, but not like ombre color, you can choose piano color. Here we have 3 different color shades: 8-13, 8-14, and 8-15. Let's see some pictures and videos shown here. I definitely believe that you can pick one of your favorite color shade for yourself. The last one in our color collection is 8-16, and it's the one holly brown color. So sweet, right? Holly is what gives the color warmth and richness, and because of it, there will often be a red or orange undertone to the hair. Maybe it's because it looks bright and roseful, or maybe it's because it brings natural looking warmth to the hair. Either way, we are convinced that holly color hair is most photogenic. That's all our color collection, but we also customize color for your customer order. If you want any color for your client's preference, you can send pictures to us and then our factory can make it for you. I also want to show you some color shade we have customized. All of them are beautiful as well. If you are unsure what color to get, send us a recent photo of your hair color taken in natural light, and I will be happy to help. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful videos on our YouTube channel. And it's me, Jasmine, with my video about color hair. Thanks for watching.